Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to cut a video using CapCut apps. So for the first, select new project and select the video that you want to edit, for example. So to cut a video, yes, actually it's so super simple. You can select the part that you want to cut and then select edit and select split and select the frame again, select split again and select the part that you want to delete. Okay, that's it. And you can also edit, split, delete, like that. Okay, so super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe to this channel. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.